Hello everyone, this is Sarvahita, Assistant Professor of MCA Department from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. I'm here to discuss a few topics of the subject MC4205 Cyber Security. We are going to discuss about the topic People Management, Human Resource Security from Unit 2. Good people management could be described as getting the best results from an employee in a healthy and safe way. People are our most valuable resource, and if we believe happy, secure, and motivated, the employees are more likely to be engaged, committed, and productive. It makes the good business sense to support employees well and to provide them with a healthy and safe working environment. The people management is a broad and complex subject that carries the legal and ethical responsibilities for an organization to ensure the physical and psychological health of an employee before, during, and after the period of employment. The organizations have many legal and ethical duty of care, obligations, and are expected to go above and beyond the legal minimum when working in high risk environments. Those in leadership positions, trustees, directors, and managers must invest the time and resources in people management practices and ensure the technical specialists within the human resources and security provide the necessary advice at the right time and in the right way. People and security risk management has a direct impact on the security risk management. For example, recruitment means employing the wrong people can create security risks. A lack of skills and competencies can lead to poor performance and decision making. Poor behaviors can lead to the personal and program risks, and failure to consider the implications of the ethnic mix in some regions can create the issues between staff and negative perceptions in the local community. Induction. Preparing the people appropriately has a direct impact on how well and quickly staff settle into their new role, team life, and the environment, thereby reducing the risk of security incidents. Office closure and contract termination. A clear and transparent process on the office closure and when the contracts come to an end should be implemented sometime before the notice period begins. Failure to do so can have seriously security implications. Stress management. Risky and high pressurized situations are more likely to lead to the highly stressed workforce, which can impact the behaviors, relationships, and the ability to make the good security related decisions. Employment policy and practice. The employees are more likely to feel valued and protected when employment policies, example reward, performance, and conduct, are clear and consistently applied. Disgruntled and dissatisfied staff are a source of security threats to the organization's staff and programs. The human resource management is an operation in companies designed to maximize the employee performance in order to meet the employee's strategic goals and objectives. More precisely, HRM focuses on the management of people within the companies, emphasizing on policies and systems. In short, HRM is the process of recruiting, selecting employees, providing proper orientation and induction, imparting the proper training, and developing skills. Features of HRM. The HRM is a discipline including the following features. It is pervasive in nature as it is present in all the industries. It focuses on outcomes and not on rules. It helps employees develop and groom their potential completely. It motivates the employees to give their best to the company. It is all about the people at work as individuals as well as in groups. It tries to put the people on assigned tasks in order to have good production or results. It helps the company achieve its goal in the future by facilitating work for competent and well motivated employees. It approaches to build and maintain the cordial relationship among people working at various levels in the company. Types of cyber attacks. A cyber attack is an exploitation of computer systems and networks. It uses a malicious code to alter the computer code, logic, or data and lead to the cyber crimes such as information and identity theft. The cyber attacks can be classified into the following categories: web-based attacks, system-based attacks. Web-based attacks. These are the attacks which occur on the website or the web applications. Some of the important web-based attacks are injection attacks, DNS spoofing, etc. Injection attack, it is an attack in which some data will be injected into the web application to manipulate the application and fetch the required information. Example, SQL injection, code injection, log injection, XML injection, etc. DNS spoofing, it is a type of computer security hacking whereby a data is introduced into a DNS resolver's cache, causing the name server to return the incorrect IP address, diverting the traffic to the attacker's computer or any other computer. The DNS attack can go through a firewall period of time without being detected and can cause serious security issues. Session hijacking, it is a security attack on a user session over a protected network. The web applications create cookies to store the state and user sessions. By stealing the cookies, an attacker can have access to all the user data. Phishing. Phishing is a type of attack which attempts to steal the sensitive information like user login credentials and credit card number. It occurs when an attacker is masquerading as a trustworthy entity in electronic communication. Brute force, it is a type of attack which uses a trial and error method. This attack generates a large number of guesses and validates them to obtain the actual data like user password and personal identification number. This attack may be used by the criminals to crack the encrypted data or by security, the analysts to test an organization's network security. Denial of service, it is an attack which meant to make a server or network resource available to the users. It accomplishes this by flooding the target with traffic or sending the information that triggers a crash. It uses a single internet connection to attack a server. Now let us see about dictionary attacks. This type of attack stored the list of commonly used password and validated them to get original password. URL interpretation, it is a type of attack where we can change the certain parts of the URL and one can make a web server to deliver the web pages for which he is not authorized to browse. File inclusion attacks, it is a type of attack that allows an attacker to access the unauthorized or essential files which is available on the web server or to execute malicious files on the web server by making use of the include functionality. Man in the middle attacks, it is a type of attack that allows an attacker to intercept the connection between the client and server and acts as a bridge between them. Due to this, the attacker will be able to read, insert and modify the intercepted connection. System-based attacks. So these are the attacks which are intended to compromise a computer or a computer network. Some of the important system-based attacks are virus, worm, etc. Virus is a type of malicious software program that spread throughout the computer files without the knowledge of a user. It is a self-replicating malicious computer program that replicates by inserting the copies of itself into another program when executed. It also executes the instruction that harm to the system. Worm, it is a type of malware whose primary function is to replicate itself to spread to uninfected computers. It works same as the computer virus. The worms often originate from email attachments that appear to be from trusted senders. Trojan horse, it is a malicious program that occurs unexpected changes to computer setting and unusual activity even when the computer should be idle. It misleads the user of its true intent. It appears to be a normal application, but when opened or executed, some malicious code will run in the background. Backdoors, it is a method that bypasses the normal authentication process. A developer may create a backdoor so that the application or operating system can create a backdoor so that an application or an operating system can be accessed by troubleshooting or other purposes. Bots, a bot short form is robot. It is a short form for the robot. It is an automated process that interacts with other network services. Some bot programs run automatically while the other only execute the commands when they receive the specific input. Common examples of bot programs are the crawler, chat room bots, and malicious bots. Thank you.